Now in this module, I will switch between the backend code setup, which you can recognize by the word backend here in the top left corner, and the frontend, the React project with, well, frontend here, so that you can always quickly see where we're working on, backend and frontend. And now for the backend, I will start with one tiny adjustment in app.js, where we have our connection string to the database. There, I will now connect to a new database so that we basically start from scratch and we kind of clear all the data we created in the previous modules so that we don't have any old data lying around in the database. So here I will connect to, let's say, MERN in my connection string so that all data gets written to collections in that database. And other than that, I'm fine with the current state though, and we can dive right in and get started.